Today we're going to draw a model of the solar system. So we're going to need some paper, and I think just some sort of pen or marker would be best for today's activity, because we're going to do some research later and figure out exactly which colors we should use in our solar system model. So for now, a pen or a thin marker or even a pencil would work really well. I guess before I start, let's just say this is not going to be to scale. This is not for that intended purpose. It's just for us to get an idea of where everything is at in our solar system and the order in which things are in our solar system. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw our sun. I feel like we always start with our sun, don't we? Why does everything revolve around the sun? All right, next, we're going to start with our 4 inner planets. And from our studies so far, we know that our first planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Just after Mercury, well, first of all, Mercury is the smallest planet, but just after Mercury, we have the hottest planet, which is Venus. Venus is our sister planet because it is about the same size as Earth. And then just after Earth, we have Mars. We're going to stop there for a moment and recognize that these 4 planets are known as the terrestrial planets. And they are terrestrial because they're made of rock and metal and whatnot. All right, so after the first 4 planets, there's something that separates the first 4 planets from the remaining 4 planets, and that would be an asteroid belt. So I'm going to take my time here and draw an asteroid belt. Alright, we have our asteroid belt. Made up of chunks of rock and metal. Now we're going to move into the outer planets. First outer planet we come to is Jupiter, our largest planet. After that, our second largest planet, Saturn. Saturn has those really pretty rings around it. Jupiter has rings too, but they're pretty faint, and that's why I just drew like a dotted line for a ring around Jupiter. That's the storm on Jupiter there. Saturn. Uranus. And cartoon. Let me see if I can get that a little bit bigger here. The outer planets are known as gas or ice giants. Beyond the outer planets, we get to what's known as the Kuiper Belt. Pluto, one of our most famous dwarf planets, is located in this Kuiper Belt. I haven't figured out how to include the Oort cloud in a drawing like this, so we're gonna figure out a better way to make a model of that. All right, so here are our planets in order. Many of you have heard about them and learned about them in years past. Maybe you even have a fun saying that helps you remember the order of the planets. When I was younger, Pluto was still a planet, so the saying we said was, "My very earnest mother just served us 9 pizzas." But that doesn't work anymore, so I just changed it to, "My very earnest mother just served us nachos." And the beginning letter of each of those words helps me remember the beginning letter of each of the planets in order. We're going to do some research and find some characteristics of each of the planets, and based on those characteristics, we'll add color to our model later.